Hey, so you want to know how to fix your shoes for $1.25? If you do, stick around. Welcome to my laboratory. Hey, what's the video today about? Well, I've been having an issue with my shoes. Here's my shoes. And I've got another pair too I'm going to fix too. And what is going on with these shoes? These are Skechers. I've had these things forever. They look pretty good, don't they? Oh, they're probably 15 years old, maybe even older than that. And the front came off. Look at that. And I tried to fix it with a hot glue gun and put glue on it. And that didn't work. It worked for maybe a couple days and then it happened again. And then I tried it again and it didn't work. And I thought, what can I do to make this, can I use to fix this? And I went to the store, to my mother's local dollar store. This stuff cost $1.25. See there? $1.25. And it's from Super Glue, and it says Fix All, and it had a leather belt here, and it says works on leather, fabric, paper, ceramic, metal, wood, plastic, and more. And so I thought, hey, I'm gonna try to fix it with that. So when I was at the store, I got 3 of them because I wasn't sure how much stuff I was gonna use, and I also got some Super Glue. And this was $1.25 at our store too, at the dollar store. Can you believe that? If you get this stuff at a regular hardware store, you're gonna pay about almost $5 for the same size, $1.25 Super Glue. And I was reading on the back, and it said it works for leather. And I was hoping that they had Super Glue gel. If they had the Super Glue gel, that would have worked. I don't think this is going to work. Do you see what I mean? The only place where this might work is around the edges, but I just don't think I'm gonna use this. I'll use this for something else. You know what this is good for too? I had a couple little areas right here where I was using the snippers, landscaping, for all kinds of stuff, cutting up junipers in the backyard. I'm throwing away, and I got a callus there, and then it cracked open. You put Super Glue on cracked open areas on your skin. It works out really good wherever they are. Do you know that? Anyway, I'm gonna do that, and then here I've got another pair of shoes here, and I've had these for a long time too. I thought, nothing doing, I'm not throwing these away. And this one, it's the back came off. And I think they have shoe goo, it's called. You gotta find it. I don't know where it is. But I thought for this stuff here, $1.25, I'm sure this is going to work. And see, that's why I got 3 of them. Now all I've got is 3, so I've got to do this strategically. This area here looks like it's a little bit bigger than this one right here. Maybe about the same amount, okay? So 1.5 tubes for each shoe, and I think it'll be fixed, okay? These shoes, you know, if I went to the store today to buy these shoes, these are leather shoes. These probably would cost at least $50, maybe $70. Same thing with the Skechers. I have no idea how much Skechers are right now. I'm not going to go buy a new pair of shoes just for that. I'm going to see if I can fix it first, okay? And that's what this video is about. If you want to watch that, stick around. Now it's important to read the directions properly and fully before you do anything. This stuff here, it says that I've got to put it on both sides. So I got to put it on both portions, the top of the sole and the bottom here. And it says that I have to wait 15 minutes before bonding them together. Now I thought this stuff was going to be kind of like liquid nails, but it's not. It's just clear. Okay, so I'm going to have to do this, and it says on the flat area, so I'm going to be putting it on the flat area and not the concave area. And if you had an area that wasn't as flat, you're supposed to put more. Well, you remember I got a tube. I got a tube and a half to do this, right? Okay, so I'm doing around the edges here, and that's all I'm going to do. I only used half a tube. Okay. Oh, this stuff's smelly too. Okay, now I'm going to have to keep this apart. How am I going to do that? I'll just put my nail. My cat's paw right there. How about that? Okay, just like that. And I'm going to wait for 15 minutes, 10:50, 11:05. 11:05. I'm going to take that apart and put those back together. Okay. I don't think this is going to take me that long at all, and it shouldn't take you very long either. I'm going to set this down off to the side so I can get that other shoe going too. Okay, while I'm waiting for that first shoe to dry, I'm going to look at this one and see on the inside. I wouldn't put anything there. I'm going to put it on the outside area there. Okay, because nothing's going to stick anywhere else, right? So I have a feeling I'm going to end up having to get another one out. I guess I won't open it just yet. Okay. I'm just going to put this stuff on there. Just like that. That's it. And around here. Look at that. I can get it all done with one. You kidding? Not bad. Okay. I'll give it a little extra. Boy, this was going to be tricky to... I think I can put something in there. Got my little paper towel here. Okay. And what can I find for that? Probably a screwdriver. I'll find a screwdriver and just put the middle. Yeah, I'll just put the middle right like that. Like that. Okay. And I'll leave it just like that for 15 minutes. I'm going to read the directions again and make sure it said 15 minutes. I'm pretty sure it did. Okay, step one, done. Okay, it's got all kinds of directions on the back, and it said wait at least 10 minutes for flat surfaces. Now, oh man! I tilted that at the angle, and it's all on the side of my shoe now. Oh, dabbity nabbit. See what happens when you don't pay attention? Okay. I've got it. I've got it tilted right, I think now. That irks me that happened. Oh well. Okay. Alright, so like I was saying, 10 minutes for flat surfaces, then uneven surfaces it said 30 minutes. So I'm going to wait 15 minutes. Okay, just because the air is not exactly flat 100%, but it should work. It should work. And I wiped that all off on the side. Lucky for me, the shoes are dark brown anyways, and it will just give it a little bit of a leathery look on the side. Nobody's going to see that. Okay, my loss is your gain. Okay, 15 minutes has been up. So, let's see. I'm just going to push it on there. Now, how am I going to keep that tight? And you know what I thought of doing? I've got some masking tape, and I also got some little bits of rope. Some string I found in Mother's drawer. I want to cut some of that. Let's just see. Oh, come on. Good grief. It's not cutting. Alright, got my 10 snips out. Let's just see what I can do here. I'm going to tie it up like a Christmas present. If I can. Now's the time I need 2 people. Okay. Oh, good. We'll get it this way. We'll get it this way. Okay. And I can even get this little bit right there, possibly. Come on. A little bit different than Christmas wrapping bows, right? Okay. All right. Da-da-da. Now I'm just going to let that sit for a while. And is it going to work? Pretty sure it's going to work. Okay, let's take our other one over here. See, I put that in the middle so it wouldn't get sticky. And I'm just going to press that down. And I have a feeling this stuff is going to work, but again, you've got to keep some pressure on it for a while, you know? So, do I want to put string on that one? Let's try something else out this time. Let's try some tape. I'm not going to leave the tape on very long, so it's not going to hurt the leather. If I had duct tape, would I use it? Probably not. That stuff is kind of sticky. I can tell this masking tape hasn't been used for a while, but that's all right. could put one right across there too. And that's just, I'm just going to leave that on for a few hours probably. Yeah, not going to hurt anything, right? I'd rather have it on there than not have it on there. Okay, that's just going to keep everything on there tight. I'm going to push on there one more time. And I have a feeling this stuff's going to work. I didn't want to throw those shoes away. Like I said, it probably cost me $50 to $75 per pair to get replaced. And what was that stuff I used? I used one little container of this. And it's from Super Glue, the original Super Glue. Don't let that kid you, $1.25. That's because it was at the dollar store. If you find this at the hardware store, it's going to cost more than $1.25. And it's called Fix-All. Fix-All adhesive from Super Glue. Flexible bond, bonds and repairs, waterproof, permanent. Works on leather, fabric, paper, ceramic, metal, wood, plastic, and more. Read the directions on here. There's certain things that it will not repair. Certain things it will repair. Okay? Well, that's it for this time. Well, I should have tried this a few months ago, but I didn't. I tried the hot glue gun at Mother's house, and that didn't work, so I thought I better find a different way. Well, I'll see you next time on the next video. Thanks for joining me.